Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding tuberculosis, TB. 1. Tuberculosis, TB, is a bacterial disease that primarily affects the lungs. 2. Government launched the Nikshay Poshan Yojana to provide nutritional support to TB patients. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct. Tuberculosis, TB, is a bacterial disease caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. TB primarily affects the lungs but can also spread to other organs like the kidneys, spine, and brain. Statement 2 is correct. The Nikshay Poshan Yojana is a government initiative to provide nutritional support to TB patients. Tuberculosis, TB, is primarily spread through the air when a person with active TB disease of the lungs coughs, sneezes, laughs, or sings. Tiny droplets containing the TB bacteria are expelled into the air and can be inhaled by others nearby. Consider the following statements regarding Vikramshila University. 1. It was founded by Gupta King Samudragupta I in 6th century AD. 2. It was well known for tantric and occult studies and students practiced the Tantarayana. Which of the statements above is correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. Founded by Pala King Dharmpala of the Pala dynasty in the late 8th to early 9th century AD, Vikramshila Mahavihar University existed and flourished at the time of Nalanda. Statement 2 is correct. At its peak, subjects such as theology, philosophy, grammar, metaphysics and logic were taught at Vikramshila. But the most important branch of learning were the Tantras because Vikramshila flourished in the days of Tantricism, when occult sciences and magic were subjects of study both in Buddhism as well as. Thank you.